My son was 4 years old, and my wife at the time went in for a relatively minor procedure, one that she had had in the past. We didn't really think anything of it, but this time it was different when she came home. She started losing feeling in her legs. She ended up being paralyzed from the waist down. We called an ambulance. She went back to the hospital. They ran a lot of tests. They did a CT scan, and that's where they were able to find the problem. She had an infection at the very base of her spine. And I will never forget when the doctor came in and said, "You need to make sure that her will and her advanced directive are up to date because she's not going to make it." And in that moment, I started thinking about how my son was going to know that his mom loved him. That experience has really changed my outlook and my perspective on estate planning, because everyone needs to have a will. Everyone needs a healthcare directive. Everyone needs a power of attorney. And so I've made it my mission to educate my community, to teach them that just these documents being in place can help things go so much easier and so much more smoothly than if there's no plan at all.
My dad was just the best dad. He was there for all three of us girls. He was a good husband to my mom. My dad had found Legal Journeys and Levi Alexander. Legal Journeys guided us through the process after he passed. Having everything in place and having a plan took the pressure off of us when we were grieving of having to make those decisions, because you're not in the right place. You know, you want to be able to grieve and not have those issues come up. I think Levi Alexander and Legal Journeys made that possible.
We reached out to Legal Journeys because we are planning a family, we're planning to adopt, and so we want to make sure that those kids are taken care of. Levi actually tailor makes your will and trust, and I think that's an incredible process to get to watch. To have somebody deal with your will and trust, you want them to know you and know what you want, and they know exactly what we want. They know what's going on in our lives, everything.
If I could just send a message to everyone, it's make sure that you are protected. Make sure that your family is protected. It's not about you, it's about the people that you love. When the inevitable does happen, we are keeping children out of foster care. We are keeping families out of court and out of conflict. That's the most rewarding part of my job. If you're looking to have your estate plan reviewed, or if you haven't started your estate plan yet, contact us at Legal Journeys. We are here to help.